Hey guys, it's been a little while since we've done a Phoenix area market update, so I wanted to get in here quickly and kind of give you a broad scope of what we've seen happen over the last few months. So it has been described as a frenzy, like hair on fire, pants on fire, running like a chicken with your head cut off as far as our buyer demand goes in our Phoenix real estate market. We've actually tampered down our demand quite a bit, and so now we're just at a straight normal frenzy, no fires. So with that being said, our supply is still incredibly low. We are up active units right now. We are up about 560 units. And remember, we should be at something around like 25,000 units, but we're hovering right about 7,000. So we still have a huge gap to bridge. But remember, back in March, we were about 3,500. So we have almost doubled in our active supply, which is great. So our demand has come down a little bit to be able to let that supply creep up. And then over the last few weeks, it's ticked back up. And a lot of that is actually driven by investors in the market right now. So we've got this increase in our demand that is flipping things just slightly back towards pushing down our supply once again. So we'll have to see if that continues for the rest of the year and kind of becomes a trend, or if that's just kind of a short-term anomaly. So we're watching that one. Our inventory is actually up from last month. It's at 23 days right now. And our active days on market are at 50, also kind of ticking up a little bit. And our closed days on market is right at 28, which is pretty much equal with what we had last month. So some of the big things that we've seen, our 30-day average sold price is almost $490,000. So that's a really, really, really big jump. The last 12 months, we've seen about 25% appreciation for the value overall. And we're talking broad generalities here, but 25% on your home value in a year is pretty astounding. So that's where we get kind of that hair on fire, pants on fire type of frenzy. So we're going to start seeing that number creep back down a little bit as we start to see price reductions and buyers not quite competing like they were, not quite as many offers as we did have. So we're still in a really, really strong seller's market. You can still expect multiple offers on your home. You can still expect it to sell, very, very, very quickly. However, instead of 25 offers, you might have 10. So everything is a little bit relative right now. Big picture, rates are amazing. You should still be buying. Prices are going up and will continue to go up for the basically the rest of the year. We should see prices continue to go up. Higher than the rate of inflation, which is where all of us homeowners kind of like it to be, and that's basically the gist of things as we're seeing a subtle shift. So if you guys have questions, let me know. 602-748-6136. That is my direct cell. So feel free to call, text, whatever. My email is Chelsea, CHELSEA, at yourreddoorteamaz.com. You can get to me that way, or you can also find me on Instagram at Realtor Chelsea or Facebook at Your Red Door Real Estate Team. So any way that you want to connect, I'm happy to answer any of those questions. We've got some great new listings that'll be popping on here in the next month or so keep an eye out for those. And it's getting a little bit better for buyers. So if you want to jump back in or get a new, fresh outlook on what the market is and what we can offer, happy to have those conversations. Would love to talk to you. So again, 602-748-6136, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.